It's been a couple months. So I actually started using it to make that pile of mulch over there, and then the flywheel sheared, or the head gasket blew. Not really sure yet, but I'm pretty sure it's this flywheel. But anyway, I got a puller and heated it up, and I had to get stainless steel bolts because the other ones kept shearing. Stainless steel is pretty strong. They're like legit from Master Car, not some fake Chinese crap. Not that Chinese crap doesn't always work with stainless, but put them on there real tight, heated it up, tightened them a little bit. I'm talking like an eighth of a turn until they were like really snug, and then just smacked it in the middle there and it popped right off of there. Waiting for it to cool down because it got torched pretty good, and there's that. But then I got it off of there. It's just sitting over there, and as you can see, she sheared pretty good, almost the whole thing. But I was really worried about this being damaged. Oh, you can't even see it. How can I turn that now? I guess if I put the there we go. I was really worried about the keyway being just destroyed, but she's good. She's great. This is wonderful news. To clean up this taper and everything, get a new key, and put it back together. Wow, those are some pretty cool videos of that chipper working, weren't it? This is the state it is right now. Yep. So let's get into that. It ran for about 2 hours. It never would go above 2,700 RPM. Then it died. So I figured out that this was sheared, and it was firing around here, but badly. And that's about where these marks in the cylinder wall have appeared from the rings. I put some oil in the spark plug hole and did a compression test, and the compression went up, which means my rings are bad. But there's like these deep gouges in the cylinder wall now, and so I think it's dead. And then I took it off the machine and had it sitting up here. I took the clutch off. I just took a hammer drill and put it on the crankshaft, and held the clutch, and it came off like paper width by paper width. Took like 15 minutes, but it did come off. Free and clear, but it's very old, and I just, we'll get to that. And then anyway, it was sitting up here unbalanced without that, and it just was very prone to flipping over apparently. And I think squirrel or something jumped down from the rafters and knocked it over, because nothing else fell. I mean, we did have like a slight earthquake at some point, but it was only like a 4 or something. And I don't know if it came up here, but whatever it was, it made it do a tumble off of the table and broke off the mount and the oil thing, and probably messed up the carb, and blew up a WD-40 bottle. Is this chipped? Yeah, okay. But yeah, I'm gonna take that part for parts. I've got those 2 spares over there, which they've got a bigger shaft, and I'm just kind of done with fixing up engines. So I went ahead and spent some money. Yes, so went ahead and got this thing. And let's see what it does. All right, so I went ahead and made a CAD model in some free software. I think it's like Autodesk 123D or something like that. Kind of a pain, but it worked. Printed out the shapes to scale from the printer. Made sure there was a scale with calipers. Taped them together since it's bigger than one piece of paper. As you can see, there's some writing there. Made sure that the holes lined up with the old engine mount holes. Made sure I had enough room for the new engine to move for the belt. And there she is. Really got screwed over by tariffs. Didn't realize it wasn't made in the United States. Just went with the cheapest option and paid about $260 in tariff fees for that. Good news is it's great and it works. And it's off. Oh no, okay, I see what's up. Yep. And it's on there. Had to get a new pulley. This one's a little bit bigger by like 11%, but you know, it fits on this engine perfectly. I don't need any adapters or collar sleeves or anything. It's just perfect. That was about $65. It is an electric start, so I could hook it up to the battery. I don't know if I ever bother. It pulls. It's like a half a pull and it's already running. It's great. It's a really nice engine. Still breaking it in. I got like a couple hours to do the next oil change, but I'll go ahead and get some footage of this thing running soon. Even at like you know, idle, I don't even know. Let's see here. So this is full power. So halfway it still pulls in huge branches and doesn't kick up any fuss. What I need to do is find somebody to make this more, because once it kicks out of idle, it really vibrates a lot. I'm worried about the engine mount and everything. So I need somewhere to slowly ramp it up a little bit slower to full speed, but it's my only concern right now. Overall, great machine. It's working great. But yeah, I'll try and get some video of it. It pulls in just like at the beginning of this video, but I'd say better. I mean, obviously, it doesn't slow down when it's at all anymore. It just keeps on chugging. It is unfortunate that that beautiful engine over there just ended up as a pile of parts. And the battery box doesn't match now. But I'm going to try and paint this battery box since it's staying on there. Like I said, I don't know if I'll connect it anytime soon. It just pull starts so easily. I could have saved myself $100 on pull start. I didn't even know. I've never had such a gloriously easy pull start. Yeah, that's where we're at. Oh, you can see this thing pulling some sticks and junk. That really gets them. Yep, that's it for now.